Hello everyone. So this is the third video of the playlist for 450 questions of DS and Algo by Algo. So we have done till third question. So this is the fourth question video. We're given three elements 0, 1 and 2, and we have to sort the array without using any sorting algorithm. So this is the question. Any the size of the array, and we have to sort it. So there are multiple ways in which we can solve this question. One way is that we count the number of zeros, ones and twos, and then we just change our original array with the exact number of zeros, ones and twos which we have calculated. So in that the problem is that we have to run the loop two times, right? In the first loop we will count the number of zeros and ones and twos, and in the second loop we'll overwrite our original array with the new zeros, ones and twos. So I'll show you both the ways with two for loops and one for loop. So let's start with the first one. We'll take two pointers. We'll take its first int j is equal to 0 for int I 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So we'll check if array of I is equal to 0. Then what we'll do is we'll swap array I and array j, and we'll do j plus plus, else we'll do nothing. Then after coming from this loop, we'll make another for loop, I less than n, I plus plus. Now we'll check for if array of I is equal to 1. We'll swap our array of I with array of j, and we'll do j plus plus. So this is basically the whole code for sorting these the array of zeros, ones and twos. But here the problem is okay, I've done some mistake. Array. So this is basically the solution where two for loops are used. So as you can see, we got our sorted array. So I'll show you one more method in which only one for loop is used. In that method we'll do some pointers. Low is equal to 0, high is equal to n minus 1, and mid also equal to 0. Alright, so we'll put a loop here while mid is less than equal to high. Now what we'll do is we can use a switch statement here. Switch. We'll check the value of array mid. We'll see case 0. If it's 0, what we'll do? We'll swap the elements array low and array mid. Right. What else we'll do? We can do we have to do low plus plus, mid plus plus, and finally we'll break the statement. Now coming to the case 1. What if array of mid is 1? Then we'll do nothing. We'll just do mid plus plus, and we'll then break the loop. Now coming to the third case, that is case 2. If array of mid is equal to 2, then we'll swap our array of mid with array of high, and what we'll do is we'll do high minus minor and mid plus plus. Right? Oh no, we won't do mid plus plus, we'll break here. Right? Because the element that is coming from the high index, that can also be 0, 1 or 2, so we have to check that also. That's why we are not increasing our mid here. So let's see if it compiles properly or not. We're using only one loop here. Okay, array again. We'll change this. Now let's see. You can see we got our array sorted. So this was the code for sorting array of 3 types of elements. So this algorithm that is shown here is also called three-way partition algorithm, or Dutch national flag algorithm. So this that. Execution time is 0.11, which is pretty good. The next question was move all the negative elements to one side of the array. So what we have to do basically, it's just like this only. What we did was 0, 1, 2s. What we can do in this question is move all negative elements. We'll use 2 pointers and we'll check if let's say we have chosen 2 pointers I and j. Firstly, we'll initialize both with 0 and 0. We'll make a for loop. We'll check if array of I is greater than 0 or less than 0. If it's less than 0, we'll do nothing. If it's greater than 0, if it's greater than 0, we'll do nothing. And if it's less than 0, then we'll swap it with array of j. And once after swapping, we'll increase the value of j as well. Like, it's basically same as this portion, but just the difference is here I was 0, and now we'll put the condition as I is less than 0, right? So that was this. So in the next video, we'll move on to union and intersection of 2 sorted arrays. So till then, stay healthy, stay safe. Okay, goodbye.